Good evening, guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm looking at types of graphs for statistical graphs for GCSE maths. Okay, so it's the stats side of maths. Okay, so this video was recorded on the 11th of April 2021, guys. Right, guys, this video is appropriate for foundation higher tier for all exam boards, and it's looking at statistical graphs specifically, so types of charts and graphs for the videos. Okay, right, guys, if you found this video useful, at the end, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel, drop the video a like, and also press the bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos. Right, guys, so let's just go through like each chart actually, but in like summary form. So first of all, we've got bar charts. So bar charts, it is used to like plot types of data. So if you're looking at, for example, the like heights of students in year 7, let's say, okay, or the like number of like, so if you have like different colored cars, let's say, the like number of like different colored cars that you might have, so you might have like blue, orange, red, yellow, black, yeah, and so on and so forth. Okay, the key part for this, guys, is bar charts must have equal width, and each bar must have the like same width actually, and it must have like a space in between each bar, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's the key part. Okay, right, guys, looking at pie charts now. Pie charts are essentially looking at circles, so it's looking at like sections of circles. So again, a typical example might be looking at types of colors of cars, or like favorite places to eat, for example. Yeah, so like if you have like like fast food chains, you can look at people's like favorite like fast food chains, or yeah, like takeaway chains. Okay, the key parts to remember for this, guys, is that angles around a point add up to 360. So sometimes, yeah, it might give you a like a portion of the angle and ask you to like work out like the other section of the pie chart, if that makes sense. So a protractor is normally needed for like these sort of questions, for actually drawing a pie chart, yeah, and presenting it neatly. So make sure that you got a protractor and also a compass. Yeah, it isn't for like this topic, but just make sure that you got your relevant maths equipment for your exams, guys. So that's like a little summary of pie charts. Right, guys, looking at line graphs now. So line graphs look like this. So again, actually is identical to like a bar chart. So but rather than like a bar, it's just like a line. Okay. So that's like a little line graph there. Okay, right, guys. So now here, number 4 is looking at scatter graphs. Okay, so this is what I call like a scatter graph. The line there. So the key message to remember: line of best fit. Okay, so it's usually drawn like in the middle for like all these points here, if that makes sense. So it doesn't have to go through the origin. It can go through any part of the graph. Okay. This is what a box plot is. So looking at number 5, looking at box plots. So the box plots information, to remember that so minimum value or least value, that LQ means lower quartile, that's the median, UQ is upper quartile, and then I've got highest value. Okay, for there. And then the key part for both of these graphs is the interquartile range is calculated by doing the upper quartile minus lower quartile. Okay, so that's the key part for like these two graphs here. And make sure that you're happy with how to work out the mean, median, mode, and range for all for like these types of charts and data. Okay, so like yeah, so make sure that they're happy with that one, guys. And the last few to go now. So we've got histogram. So this is a histogram. The key part to remember is that frequency density equals frequency divided by the class width. So FD, which is frequency density, equals frequency divided by the class width. So for like histograms, we're looking at group data. So that's where we have like intervals from like 60 to 65, let's say. So yes, so it's group data for that one. And then lastly, I've got like stem and leaf diagrams. So stem and leaf diagrams is just drawn here. Okay, so you would normally be given like some like random bits data actually that is not in any order, and you've got to draw like a stem and leaf diagram. And normally it looks something like this. So you're gonna have like a line there, And then lines, you've got like 2, 0, 1, 3, 2, 9, 4, 2, 3, 5, 8. And then I've got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I've got a little key here that says 2/3. So 2 aligned the 3. So that means like 23. So like for our like example here. So when you got the big number here and then the small number, so it's reading from like left to right. So 20 would like be 20, that'd be like 21. The next one would be like 32, 39, 42, 43, 45, 48, 51, 52, 53 and 54, guys. So that is how to read a stem and leaf diagram, and that's how to draw this, okay? So make sure, guys, that you're clued up and that you're happy with like the types of different statistics. If I can say it again, actually, so different statistical graphs for like these examples. Okay, if you've got any questions or any criticism, then put it in the comment section. Make sure that you are happy with how to actually plot these graphs. So make sure that you've got a ruler for your exams and like pen and pencil and a protractor for pie charts, and also like a compass for like construction questions. Okay. Feel free to check out a very good channel actually on YouTube actually. So it's called the GCSE Maths Tutor. Check out also Club Maths because it's got loads on there, and the Maths Genie. Okay, and obviously it goes without saying, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on further uploads. Okay, so that's it from me today. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you've got any questions or any queries or any concerns, then put it in the comment section. Today's video was like a little summary video of the different types of statistical graphs that we can see in maths, okay? So these are the different types of graphs, okay? So make sure that you're happy with them, okay? If you've got any questions about any particular graph, then feel free to ask me in the comment section. Feel free to ask me about the mean, median, mode, and range. But I'm going to advise you, to like do a bit of research, about that, because it isn't too actually complex. Of like a topic, and I think I've got some older videos for mean, median, mode, and range. I think earlier on last year, I think it was like February or maybe even January, 2020. So feel free to check out my previous videos and earlier on, last year. Okay, so that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I'm gonna see you hopefully tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching and happy Sunday. Okay, bye now.